This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on your Apple ID. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Visit the Apple ID website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, locate the payment and shipping section. Here, you can review your current payment methods and ensure that all information is up to date. Step 3. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Request payout. Look for the option to request a payout or transfer funds. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select your preferred payment method such as bank transfer or PayPal. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your payout request for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email detailing the transaction and any expected processing times. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.